This is the basics of weight transfer. A car is just a giant metal box riding on 4 springs and obeys the laws of physics. If a car is traveling at a constant speed, the car is balanced and the weight is equally transferred on all 4 corners. As soon as the car is accelerating, braking, or cornering, the forces shift the balance of the car because an object in motion tends to stay in motion. This means the weight is now unevenly distributed. If a car is accelerating, the nose of the car pitches up, the weight is shifted to the rear, and less weight is on the front. The opposite is true if the car is braking. If the car is turning, the weight is shifted to the outside wheels, and less weight is on the inside wheels. When the weight is transferred on the axle, this causes the contact patch between the tire and the road to increase in size. This gives you more grip. Conversely, the tires with less weight, the contact patch and grip decreases. Now, why does weight transfer matter? It matters because if you want your tires to have more grip, you need to be aware of where the weight is being transferred. Here are some examples. Before a corner, we slow down so that we can make the turn, but to also load the front tires so that they have more grip. This means we can make the corner instead of understeering. When we are accelerating in a rear-wheel drive car, the weight transfer starts to transfer to the rear, giving us more grip, meaning we can put more power down. If you want to drift a front-wheel drive car, you have to understand weight transfer. If you heard of the term lift-off oversteer, it means you are on the throttle mid-corner, there is weight on the rear tires, then you immediately lift off the throttle, sending the weight to the front, making the rear tires less grippy, forcing the rear end of the car to come around because of the pendulum motion. In many scenarios, weight transfer is a critical element, and understanding it will make you a better and faster driver.